Hello everybody, Persian here. Just want to give you guys a heads up on a product I think is pretty neat. Just for heads up here, I'm not getting paid by them, or I'm not getting free stuff or any of that. I just pass on something I found that I like pretty much. What it is, it's a radiant barrier, and you spray it on the underneath side of your roof decking. Yeah, also it does have to have an air on one side, so you can't spray it and close it. Go to their website. I'm not sure. I think it's heatbloc.com, but just Google Heat Bloc Ultra and it'll take you to their website on how to install it, where to buy it, where to find contractors. And what it is, it's an aluminum paint. Like I say, it goes on the back side of your roof, and it keeps some of the heat from coming inside of it. So that's what that looks like. I myself, along with my son, we got up in that attic and sprayed it ourselves, which was a serious pain. I'm too old to be getting up around the attic, but we got it done. And just on a couple tips, if any of you guys out there plan to do it yourself, I use a airless sprayer. Remove all the filters, because it will clog up the filters, the aluminum in the paint. So remove all filters in your spray rig and get the absolute biggest spray tip you can get that will fit your spray rig. I didn't use quite the biggest, and I kept having from time to time it would clog up, which really slowed down the process. So get the absolutely biggest spray tip that your rig will use. Anyway, I'm not going to get too involved with it. Go to their website, and they got a lot more information that you can look up if something you're be interested in. We're going to go outside, and I'm going to show you a little test spot I left out when we were spraying. I just put a piece of paper over the deck to create a square, and you'll see that here shortly. Alright, let's go that way. Okay everybody, as you can see, here is underneath of the roof deck. You can see the silver paint, and right there in the middle there's a little square. As I was spraying it, I put up a little piece of paper, taped it up there just so I can do this test to see what was going on. Alright, now I'm going to try to, hopefully this all focuses really good. There you go, you can see, let me move the camera. 136, 137, that is just the original roof deck that didn't get painted with the Heat Bloc Ultra. Oh, this is kind of goofy. Okay, 137. Now I'm going to come down. 121. So you see there is a pretty good difference. It's about, what, 16 degrees or so. 137, 138. Well, there we go. I have to put it to the side there. And I come down 121. So you can see that does help. Yeah, I did notice a bit in the house. The house is not near as hot in the afternoon after I put this in. On, by the way, right now the outdoor temperature is saying 102. So 102 outside temperature, 137 on the untreated wood deck, and then 122, 121 on the treated. So you can see that does help out a bit. Every bit helps. Now the next step for me is going to be right up there where the laser dot is I got to put in some ridge vents. This doesn't have any ridge vents, so it's going to open it up about an inch or so gap up there on top, and then with the soffit vents it's going to get some serious airflow to help reduce the heat up in the attic. So with the Heat Bloc Ultra, reducing the amount of heat it gets in, and the ridge vents and soffit vents getting airflow there, it's going to really reduce the amount of attic heat, which reduces the heat getting into the house. Okay, well that's it there everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Persian out, and God bless.